Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster.
Okay, I'm using my, oh my god. What's up guys, it's Jess. In today's video, we are, well, we are doing what Kayla Nicholson likes to say, and we are gisting. I have a lot to do today. I've got to clean my room, I've got to get ready for next week. I've got to do the dishes, I've got to work on my mom's bathroom, and I've got to get the trash for tomorrow, because tomorrow's trash day, and we have a lot of trash. So, let's start this routine. I think I want to start in here. This is my one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start in here. So, I gotta put this down because I gotta pee. And I know it's exactly what you wanted to know. You're welcome. But get your Starbucks or your good coffee on and some tea and some snacks, and let's clean this place up. Just love how you get like an up close version of my face. So first up, we're gonna try to drink all this. And we're gonna work on my room first. But to make it official, we are putting on. I gotta show you this, because this is what makes the video more exciting. We gotta put on Kayla Nicholson's recent video, and yeah. So when I'm filming this today is October 15th. In 9 days, so excited. My family's going on vacation, so I need to clean my room, kind of get that ready for that. I need to figure out how many bags I'm taking and what I'm taking, because I haven't decided that yet. I need to put my clothes up that I haven't put up yet, that are currently just sitting there. I need to make my bed. I need to get rid of my two things that were on my bed. I might put that one back on because I like that one. But that means changing the sheets, and I don't feel like doing that yet, so I'll probably just like hide that somewhere. I need to put my thing back up, but I don't know where I'm going to put that now because so we got a lot of thinking and planning to do today, but I'm going to start in my room because why not? I think I can do my room faster than anything else. But yeah, we're going to start in here. I'm sorry, probably should save. Probably cut that out. So we're going to start in my room, and yeah, let's get going.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. needs a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down. Talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will.
Who's the biggest dork? Me. Okay, so next project is behind the store. I'm only gonna show you what I'm cleaning, and then I'm gonna do it, and then I believe that's my last project of the day. So, let's do this. Boom. So, this is what I'm cleaning. Yeah.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Alright, going to the last project. Well, maybe not. I don't know.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. And my soul. Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster.